Brought to you by JEGS.
We'll start by opening the hood and removing the grille. Use a panel tool or flathead to remove the retainer clips across the top and firmly pull the bottom outward on each side. We'll need to pull the fender liner back slightly to access the park light harness. First, remove these 3 outer fasteners. Next, we'll unbolt these 2 8mm bolts and 1 10mm bolt. Pull the liner back and untwist the DRL park bulb socket. We'll be getting power from this later. Let's bring the grille back to the Jeep. Route the cable through the core support and around the passenger headlight. Split the red and black wire and run the red wire into the fender cavity. From here, we can re-secure the grille and continue with connecting our positive and negative wires. Route the black wire along the passenger fender to the ground post and remove the 10mm bolt. Attach the black wire to the post using the supplied ring terminal, then secure the 10mm bolt. Attach the supplied T-tap to the white with brown striped wire. You may need pliers to snap the connector in fully. Next, plug the red wire into the T-tap and put the bulb socket back into place. Turn the headlight switch to park mode and test. Reassemble the fender liner in reverse order and we're all done. As you can see, these are very bright even in daylight and are a very simple way to give your Jeep a pre-runner style touch.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.